Hi, my name is Jenny. I'm a computer science major, and today I'm going to show you how to make this digital scrapbooking page on Microsoft Word for your scrapbook. The best part about it is there's absolutely no cleanup required to make it. First, you need to download 4 photos from online. I put the links to download them in the description below this video. We're going to use these 4 photos for the backgrounds for our pictures on our scrapbooking page. Now I'm going to go ahead and assume that you downloaded these 4 photos and they are in your downloads folder on your computer. We're going to open Microsoft Word and open a blank document. Now I need to insert my background photo, so I'm going to go to Insert, Pictures, this device, and select this image. To make this image cover the entire background, first I'm going to go to Layout Options right here, and I'm going to put it behind the text. I'm going to bring it to this top corner, and now I need to zoom out so I can see the entire page. And I'm going to highlight this bottom corner and enlarge it until it covers the entire page. Now we're going to add these boxes around the pictures. To do that, we're going to go to Insert, Shapes, and then we're going to select the rectangle with rounded corners. All right, now we are going to do Shape Fill, and we're going to select a picture to fill the shape with. And it's going to be from a file. And we're going to select this file. Now I want to crop this photo so I can make just this the background. So I'm going to go to Picture Format. Then I'm going to go to Crop. And I'm going to crop the image so you can only see this background. Oh, I'm gonna make sure I just have that image. All right, now I'm gonna press enter and resize it. And I want to go ahead and change my layout to narrow. So I'm going to go to layout, margins, and then narrow. And that kind of changes my background image, but that's okay. I'm just going to drag it down. And now I can use the guides to line it up. Now we can have some fun with it. So make sure you're under Shape Format and go to Shape Effects. I think you say this bevel. So right now it has no bevel, but as you see when we select them, it gives it a 3D appearance. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And I think I might add a shadow. Um, all right. Now I want to add a shape on top of this. So I'm going to go to Insert, Shapes, and I'm going to use the rounded corners rectangle again, and then create a shape inside of this one. And now we're going to go to Shape Fill, Picture from the file, and gonna grab this one. Now we need to fill it with a picture. So we're going to need to insert another shape on top of this. And make sure it's even. Okay, now you can add your own picture to fill it with by going to shape fill again in picture. And from a file, I'm going to use a stock image. And I'm looking for a beach vibe picture. This one is cute. And it's kind of distorted. Would look better like that. So hold on. Let me get it nice and in the center here. Okay. And now this one. I don't know why it's just easier for me to see it like that. Okay. Now I'm going to hold down Control. And I'm going to click a smaller one, so those two are selected, and then the inside one, so they're all three selected, and right click, and I'm going to select group and group them all together. So now I can move them as a single object. So that is our first photo. Now let's start working on our second photo. Let's go to Insert, Shapes, the rectangle with the rounded edges. This one's going to be a bigger photo. And let's go to Shape Fill, Pictures from a file, and this file again. Now let's select this background. And to do that, we're going to go back to Picture Format, Crop, and crop it to just this one. The bottom needs to come up a little bit. Okay, now press enter and then resize it. All right, and now let's add another shape inside of it. Don't worry about it not being centered. We're going to fix all that in just a second. And now let's add this one. All right. And one more shape for our picture that we're going to put in. Now again, you can go to Shape Fill, Picture. You can use your own file, but I'm going to use a stock image. I'm gonna grab this one. And it's kind of distorted, so I want to go to Picture Format and go to Crop. Let's see. And now I just need to resize it. All right. So now I'm going to start making everything in the center. This could be, let me start with the picture. It's in the center. I probably need to make it a little bit smaller if I'm going to be adding another photo down here. I think I can do a little bigger than that. Okay. And now the one, oh, let me put it in the center of the page. All right, now this one. little smaller. Alright, well, okay. And now this one. That looks nice. Now for the back one, we're going to go to shape format and shape effects. And we're going to do the bevel angle effect. And on this one as well. And you know what? Let's put it on the picture too. Let's see what that looks like. That looks nice. Let's add it to this one. Oh, that's in a group. Okay, so we'll ungroup it. Well, let me select the group. Okay. Now ungroup it. Okay, now I just have this picture selected, so I can go to shape format and picture effects, bevel, and then angle that one too. I missed this one. Let me do it to this one too. Yeah, that looks nice. All right, now we're ready to add our third one. All right, so we're going to go to insert, shapes, rectangle with the rounded corners. And do one. Now let's go to shape fill, picture from a file, and select this one again. I want to use this background. So I'm going to go to picture format, crop, and crop it. Press enter. Now I want to resize it. I really want it to be the same size as this one up here. So I'm going to match that top corner, that corner, and that one. Alright. Now I'm gonna bring it down here. We'll resize them all in just a second. For now, let's insert the second one. And for this one, I'm going to go to picture and then stock images. I'm trying to remember what exactly I typed in. I think it was summer stripes. This one right here. And there we go. And then one more. Oh, there we go. Now shape fill. Picture. You can use your own, but I'm going to use a stock image. Um, this one. And insert it. Now I need to focus on my formatting. So I'm going to select this one and put it right there. Try to get it nice and even. Alright. I'm gonna check it with the guidelines. Okay, now I'm going to go through and bevel each one with the angle effect. And the picture too. And you know what I thought about? I added a shadow on this one. What's that one? I added on this one down here too, the shadow effect. It is the offset top right here. Alright, now I want to start grouping them. To do that, we're going to hold down, well, first we're going to select this back shape and then hold down Shift and select the two inside ones. Oh, I messed it up. Alright, now we're going to right click and group them together. Ooh, let me undo that and try it one more time. There we go. And now we're going to group this one together the same way. Just hold Shift, select all three, right click, and group them. And now we are going to hold down Shift for this one. Alright, and now right click and group these together. Now I've noticed some problems with my grouping, but I'm just going to continue. So let's get this one selected and move it to the center. Let's get this one selected. See, this is one of my problems. That picture's not connected. And that picture at the bottom is also not connected. But right now I'm just trying to distribute them vertically. Or not vertically, but in the center. Oh, there we go. Now I just need to adjust this picture. Well, okay. Alright. Now let me zoom out and see how this looks. That looks good. We're almost done now. We just have to add our stickers and our decorations around the photos. So we're going to go to Insert, and first we're going to insert a 3D model. And we'll use a stock 3D model. Microsoft Word has a summer section. And I'm going to use these little plants right here. Now, first, I'm going to make it much bigger. Maybe even a little bit bigger than that. Alright, and now I'm going to turn it. Can't seem to get the way I want it. Oh, I did not mean to move the background. Alright, now going to move it I think I want it bigger still. Maybe not that big. There we go. And now I want to move it more in the corner. Like that. And I'm just going to right click and copy and paste it. And I want to turn it that way. Oh, I did not mean to move that. Or that. And that up there. Let me shrink it a little bit. Alright. Just going to add one more thing. I went to insert and I'm going to click on icons. But I'm going to select illustrations. Now I'm going to type in summer. And I'm going to scroll down just a little bit until I get right here. And I'm going to insert this one. And now, oh, let me undo that. I have to select it back there. There we go. Oh, but it's not letting me move it. I need to change the layout to behind text. Now it'll let me move it over here so I can see it. I need to see it all. I'm going to go to graphics format and I'm going to convert it to a shape. So now I can move this palm tree over here. I want to make it bigger, kind of like that. And now I'm going to go to shape format and shape effects. Oh, let me change my design theme to banded right here. Now I'm going to go back to shape format and shape styles. And I'm going to, in presets, I'm going to select this one. And I'm going to take this palm tree. And first, I'm going to flip it horizontally and make it a little bit bigger. No, actually, I might undo that. Flip it back horizontally. Let's tilt it. Maybe not. This is the hardest part of scrapbooking, just figuring out how you want your stickers. So maybe I'll unrotate it. Maybe I'll shrink it. That looks pretty nice. Okay. Now for the effects. I think I'm going to do the same one. This little sun. Put it right there. And now this little guy will flip him sideways. Make him a little bit bigger. We'll put him over here. I don't think we need a golden. What are those things called? Seagulls. A golden seagull. Let's make this a little bigger. And move it down. Can't seem to get it there. What? There we go. And this one. Oh, no. Let me undo that. Yeah, I'll do that one. These rocks right here. Make them bigger. Now let's go to shape effects. No, maybe let's go to bevel. Yeah. Let's add some shape effects over here too and bevel the surfboard. Yeah. Ooh, let's go crazy. Yes, love that. Okay, absolutely. Can we bevel the seagull? What happens? In love with it. Let's make him a little bigger so we can show off his 3D magic. Maybe a little smaller. Yeah. Okay. And now we have this mountain back here, which we can play with. We'll give it the same green. And you know what I'm about to do. Yes. Okay, now there was something. There was like water or something right there. Yeah. Let me see if I can. So I need to put it right there. Then I would need to enlarge it so it's visible. And then not have that or that. Ugh. Okay, let me move that out of the way. Yes. Yes. Can I tilt this? Oh, I I love that. I love that. I love that. Okay. That looks nice. I think we're done now. If we zoom in, we can take a closer look at it. Now that's just an anchor. It's not going to be there when you print it. But that looks so nice. And it was completely free. And my favorite part about this is this part right here. Our cleanup is this simple. We click File and we click Save and browse wherever we want to save it. And I'm gonna save it. Scrapbook 1.1. No. Oh, yes, it did save it as that. All right, and now to print it, we just come over here to print. And this is our print preview. And now this will be perfect to go ahead and print out. And then if you have a binder or anything as a scrapbook and those plastic protective covers, you can just slip that right in there and it is perfect. It has beautiful 3D effects without having to cut anything out and glue anything. And it looks so good. I will say before you print it, check right here your printer properties And make sure you have color selected. Under printer quality, make sure color is selected or it will print out in black and white. And then just click print and you're done. Thank you for following along. If you did, now you have this awesome page to add to your scrapbook. Again, my name is Jenny. I'm a computer science student. I'm currently struggling in college and I'm trying to do something on YouTube now. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.